We're here in Plymouth. This is the fourth week of our tour. We've started the tour in Birmingham, went on to Milton Keynes, Southampton, here in Plymouth this week. Next week we go up to North Wales, a long journey indeed for the 11 trailers that we have on this tour. When we arrive in every venue, we have what is described in the theatre world as a get-in, which is what it says. We get in all of our equipment. So we usually start at 9 o'clock in the morning when our electricians arrive. They hang all the lights, bring in all of the sound equipment, etc.
It's Monday morning and we start with putting the electrics rig in, which is the whole of the lighting rig. We bring our own lighting into the theatre on stage, although we use the theatre's front of house lighting. In total there's about 150 lamps go up overhead. Brian, LX3 can go, thank you.
Each venue is very different in a lot of different ways, so the ability to make that same show happen in the same way as originally intended in 7 or 8 cities around the country is certainly the challenge of the job, definitely. Generally, as a company, we're very self-sufficient on tour. We bring everything with us, so the venue really sort of go, there's the stage, there's the power, and the rest is up to us. Because we have so many departments and so much equipment, we can kind of handle ourselves really in a lot of ways. Because we know the theatre so well, every venue we get to, we know that this week everything is living this side of stage or that side of stage, and the team is so practiced at it now that everything works in pretty much every venue we go to, really.
We're just about to offload all the clothes out of the pans. We have 42 pans arrived into the building for all 3 shows. Traviata's tomorrow night, so that's the clothes that we need to get into the dressing rooms.
Our wardrobe department are washing, ironing costumes. Our wig department washing and setting wigs. It's really a good 18-hour operation. There are very few hours in the day where we aren't working.
It's day 2 of the touring week, and this afternoon we're going to go through every single lighting cue in every single scene of the show to make sure that everything is as it should be.
Down to downstage centre, please, Casey.
Lift it up a little bit.
No 2 days are the same, and it's a really, really interesting job. The highlight of which is when the audience come in and when they leave with a happy smile on their face.